My name is Courtney Kaplan, and I'm currently a senior marketing major, and I'm going to walk you through my research project that I'm working on with my faculty advisor, Dr. Jane Machen, on how rejection-based decision strategy can improve your financial well-being. Currently, many Americans are in poor financial health and have a poor understanding of complex products. This leads them to taking unnecessary risks while simultaneously neglecting lucrative financial opportunities. The current financial tools to help remedy this problem are primarily educational interventions. However, they cost billions of dollars annually and are frequently ineffective. When a consumer is making a choice between two options, they use a decision strategy. Consumers either select liked options or reject disliked options. Research shows that the strategy used leads consumers to focus on different types of information. So, when using a selection-based decision strategy, consumers attend to the positive information, while using a rejection-based decision strategy, consumers attend to the negative information. Because rejectors tend to focus on the negative information, they make less risky financial choices and better recall the negative consequences. Since there are studies in health decision making that are supportive of this hypothesis by making people choose healthier, more informed choices when they chose by rejection rather than selection. For example, when choosing between an apple and a donut, you can make your decision by rejection by focusing on the negative attributes of both options, which would be the less sweet and savory taste of the apple or the caloric fattiness of the donut. By viewing both options like this, consumers are more likely to select the apple because they did not want the extra calories and guilty perceptions of eating the donut over the healthier option, which was the apple. So we predict that options chosen by rejection will be less risky and more informed, creating a greater financial stability. We have designed 10 different financial scenarios to test choice and recall and are in the process of data collection right now. We predict that a simple change in how consumers will make their decision could replace the complex financial tools and help consumers to make healthier financial decisions.